In this tutorial, we're looking at the value distribution area chart. That's a module that you can add to the Newbird home page layout. This chart shows how values are distributed over a date range set using the call sheet filter, so make sure you add that to your home page layout too. For this particular chart, you need to select a date range because it won't function without one. You'll get a reminder about this, which I'll show you in a second. Okay, so I've added both modules already, as you can see, so I'll save and close my page layout. There's that reminder that I mentioned before, just letting us know that we need to select a date range. Let's do that now. I'll open the filter, and if I click here in the date range, you see that I've got a whole list of dates that I could actually choose from. I'm going to select month to date. I can at this point add any other filters too, but I'm just going to leave them as they are for the moment. Now when I scroll down, you can see the value distribution area chart. I can add or change any filter criteria anytime, and the chart will alter accordingly. I've also got this frequency drop down menu that I can use too. Here's another trick. By unticking any of these boxes along here, I can also alter the information in my chart. And that is a value distribution area chart.